for me, higher than you really need to go. 'Cause I'm leaving for kindergarten. I don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, Mom, I hate to go. So many times I've played around, and so many times I've fooled around. Remember the time I pushed Eric off the swing? Every place I go, I'll think of you. Every snack I eat, for you. Grateful that I never went to Bing. That you'll be for me, higher than you need to go. I don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, Mama, I hate to go.
Yeah!
I got a lot more of that Slim Jim.
Oh my God.
Tasty cowboy treat.
And you look slim too.
This next item is the Bunko Party. Many of you may be familiar with it. Bit about Jeremy. We did it last week. You know what's bit about Jeremy?
After a song like that, I'd like to see some serious bidding.
Yeah, this is a serious
Some
song.
serious bidding after that.
And if you're too teary-eyed to see, just listen, because we'll describe the items and make sure that you can hear what you can't see. That one always chokes me up. I love that song. It's loosely Western, and we originally were thinking John Denver's kind of Western. Maybe not so much cowboy, but you know. Actually, well, we'll do an item. We have another John Denver song for you. It's eminently singable. All right, Bunko Party. The Bunko is a game that ladies like to play. It's kind of a gambling game, and it's a lot of fun, right? And it's very popular. Well, how do you use it? With dice? Dice. You can count, you play Bunko. You don't need to be like, it's not like playing bridge or something like that. You just roll dice,
You
you
don't
have
have
fun.
to be smart.
You don't have to be smart.
Anybody here can do it.
Everyone can do it.
Education.